Are you looking for a small safe for a pistol, small handgun, won't break the bank, put about anywhere? I'm William Bailey. You need to know this. There it is. The Stack-On QAS 1514. QAS 1514. Yeah. And here she is under my desk. Put the code in for you. Boom. Now let me show you what I had to do to modify it. Before, this gun would not pop out. It's too heavy. It would just stay in and just pop out about right there. I had to put some glad hand seals, is what I used, around the spring. This is what they look like. Get them in red, blue, black. Show you what I did here. Right. Two levers in here. Hold this whole mechanism in. It holds the gun. Just pull them back like that. Lock them in position where you can just freely move it in and out. And there it is. Oh, my leg. Have to get that out there. Two rubber grommets. You splice these. I'll show you real quick. You just cut them. Pretty tough things here. Cut them where you can open them up like that. And I think the top one here I had to cut a little shorter. Just took a little bit of rubber out about like that right there. What you're trying to do is get the ring, the spring, in this gap here. Just work it all around the inside. It'll look something like that. And that gives that spring the extra tension it needs. Because just stretching that spring out, it'll eventually get weak again. But by adding these rubbers in here, it really gives it that stiffer push that it needs for a heavier gun like this P320 M17, especially with the extra extended mag. And it's full. Plus with the fully loaded mag here, it's too much weight for that one little spring. Once you get her all done, wedged in there real good, just pop these, push it in and pop these pins back out and it'll grab the door. Keep it from falling all the way out. There we go. Just like that. Put my gun back in there. I am extremely happy for the money I gave for this. I think I got it on sale for $100. Hold it in, it locks in place, you're good to go. Get up to an 8-digit code. I just got, I'm not gonna say, but anyway. There she is in action again. Boom. Springs right out. I had to use 2 of these. One wasn't enough. Had to put 2 in. I think it's the top one. Had to cut shorter, vice versa. Now you know. Alright, I'll have all the links, affiliate links to the safe and the glad hand seals. These things are used in the trucking industry. Check them out, help a guy out. If you like to see reviews on products before you buy them, like and subscribe. I try to do a review on about everything I get my hands on, let everybody know what they need to know and make the right choice before they buy something. Alright, just wanted to do a quick review on this safe. It's a reasonable price. It's pretty secure. You can have up to an 8-digit, or it's got three little buttons. You can zoom in on that. You can have up to 8 different presses for security. Now, when I got this safe, just keep in mind they're made pretty cheap, but they work. This key was notched right here. Come on, focus. To where you jam that key down in there, in the hole, it would catch. Come on, why are you just focusing? It would catch. So all I did was took a file, rounded that little lip off, and the key slipped right in. I don't know, maybe I can get a zoom in here. Try this here. Here we go. You can see where I've had to chill or take a file and make it smooth right through here so the key wouldn't catch as I pushed it in. Both of them are like that. So if you have a problem pushing the key in to get the safe open, check to see if that ain't been notched. Alright. Now my overall experience with this safe, pretty decent for what you're paying for a safe. Would I buy another one? Absolutely. I know everything about it now. They work, they're easy to mount, they come with all the hardware required to mount it. I like how it goes together. And now that I know I can put a heavier gun in it and it opens up, I'd buy another one. I hope someone found this useful, and if someone gets one of these and has a problem with the mechanical part of it, leave a comment. I'll make another video on the whole. I'll take it all apart and show you how it looks inside and what you got to do to fix it if need be. Now, time for my favorite part of the video, the verse of the day. Galatians 5:22-23. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Against such things there is no law. God bless everybody. Have a great day. Love you.